The UK Treasury has made a bold proposal. They want to mothball one of the Royal Navy's aircraft carriers. This decision is part of a larger effort to reduce defence spending. However, the proposal has sparked fierce debate. Many within the Royal Navy and the defence community are strongly opposed to the idea. The heart of the controversy lies in the importance of these ships. The Royal Navy's two Queen Elizabeth-class carriers are the largest and most powerful warships ever constructed for the fleet. They represent a significant investment in the UK's naval capabilities. The Treasury's proposal aims to free up funds by cutting costs associated with maintaining and operating these massive vessels. However, critics argue that such a move would severely undermine the UK's ability to project power globally and safeguard its interests. Ultimately, the fate of these mighty ships hangs in the balance as the UK grapples with the complex challenge of balancing its budget with its national security needs. The Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers are more than just ships. They are symbols of British engineering and naval power. HMS Queen Elizabeth and HMS Prince of Wales were commissioned in 2017 and 2019 respectively. These carriers are the heart of the UK Carrier Strike Group. Each carrier can carry up to 40 aircraft, including the advanced F-35B Lightning II fighter jets. This makes them incredibly versatile tools for projecting force and influence around the world. These carriers are also equipped with state-of-the-art defensive systems. Their phalanx CIW's turrets provide a formidable last line of defense against incoming missiles and aircraft. These radar-guided 20mm Vulcan cannons can fire thousands of rounds per minute, creating a deadly curtain of fire. The Queen Elizabeth-class carriers are a testament to the UK's commitment to maintaining a strong and modern navy. They are a source of pride for the nation, showcasing British engineering prowess and military might on the global stage. The UK Treasury's proposal to mothball one of the Queen Elizabeth-class carriers is driven by economic concerns. Each carrier costs over £3 billion. Their upkeep and operation require a significant ongoing investment. The Treasury argues that these costs are unsustainable in the current economic climate. They propose redirecting funds to other areas of defence or to reduce the national deficit. However, this argument is met with strong opposition from the Royal Navy and its supporters. The Royal Navy argues that maintaining both carriers is essential for operational redundancy. If one carrier is undergoing maintenance or repairs, the other can ensure the UK can still deploy a carrier strike group when needed. This capability is crucial for responding to global crises and deterring potential adversaries. Furthermore, mothballing a carrier would send a negative signal to the UK's allies and rivals. It could be interpreted as a retreat from the global stage and a weakening of the UK's commitment to international security. The Royal Navy faces significant operational challenges in operating its two aircraft carriers. One pressing issue is the shortage of escort ships. A full carrier strike group requires a complement of destroyers, frigates and support vessels to protect the carrier and provide a range of capabilities. The Royal Navy currently lacks sufficient numbers of these escort ships, often relying on NATO allies to fill the gaps during deployments. This reliance on allies limits the UK's ability to act independently and respond quickly to emerging threats. Another challenge is the issue of staffing. The Royal Navy, like many other navies around the world, is facing a recruitment and retention crisis. Finding and retaining skilled personnel to operate and maintain highly sophisticated ships like the Queen Elizabeth-class carriers is a constant struggle. These operational challenges, combined with the financial pressures, paint a complex picture for the future of the UK's carrier strike capability. As the debate rages on, it remains to be seen whether the UK will choose to maintain its current course or chart a new path for its naval forces in the 21st century.